obviously something wrong with us, man.
Huh?
There's something wrong with us. We hear bullets whizzing over our head, we're laughing like we're at a comedy club. So, Frenchie, I've been in combat now. I'm now here with you. Now do you respect me?
Now I can give you the utmost respect.
Yeah, alright. Awesome. Good. Oh! Soldaka.
Pew, pew,
Pew, pew, pew.
I was still America, and I was like, pew, 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 pew. America.
America.
Oh, shit.
Was that a mortar?
No.
What was that? What? Bo? Oh my gosh. Oh, that was right over our head, dude. That was right over us. That was awesome. I felt that one.
I need to shoot something.
That one had a zzz in it. A zzz in it.
Look at this dude over here. This dude's sleeping.
I know. I'm taking a nap. Whoa! 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 That was close. Oops. I did it again.
I played with your heart. Oh.
Oh! Snap. Snap. Snap.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, Moto. It's your wife. She wants you to pick up a pizza on your way home. Who are we waiting on? Ain't leaving nobody. Gary!
Get on top of that Humvee.
Come on. What? Come on. Hey, he's hit. Hey, he's hit. Can you get a tourniquet on it? You need a tourney?
Give me a knife. Still in him. You're good, brother.
Hand me the blade.
Still in you. You're good, though.
What happened?
He's hit.
You got a shot?
Yeah, hit walk.
He's hit.
Walk, player. You're right. It's good. You're good.
You need a tourniquet? Let me see.
No, he don't need a tourniquet.
He's good?
He's good.
Gosh, she's all
right?
Go there. We gotta fucking go.
Come on.
Why can't they fucking drive it? Huh? Drive it!
Shit, take this, take that. Hold my rifle. I got him. I'm an American. I got him.
He's got me, man. Hey, watch out for the guys. Chef, watch out for the guys.
Oh, we're fucking out of here. Come on.
Yeah, they're too deep. They're too deep.
Where did it hurt?
Can you hold it?
Ow!
The
guy got it on hospital. Come on, come on, go, go, go!
You're my hero, brother.
Ow! God damn it, you motherfucker! Alright?